TikTok has a brand new update where you could reply to comments with a video. Let me show you how to use it right here. Jump into any one of your videos here that has comments on it, and then click over here in the comment section to go there. You need to be on this page here. And to reply to a comment, this is all you have to do. Let me go ahead and find a comment I want to reply to. And all you have to do is press and hold on the comments. These are all your options you've always had with comments. But you could reply with a video right here. Press that. And the way this works is just like making any other video here on TikTok. You have all the same options, and you could also do a 3-minute reply here too. So you would just go ahead and record your response here for this comment, press stop, and then decorate it or apply effects, anything you want here, and press the check mark. And you also have options for voice effects, voiceover, captions, text, everything you have when you make a regular TikTok video. Press next. The only difference is, let me go back just to show you, it says replying to, and the person you're replying to over here with the video. And when you press next, it just says reply to, and it tags that person right there. But it will post on your account when you do this. So if you press post on here, this posts on your account. And if it's set to only me, you're not going to be able to reply publicly. So you need to change it either if they're your friend to friends or to everyone for that other person to see it. But it works exactly like making a video, with the exception of tagging someone like this, and it will show the little graphic here that you're replying to them with a video. And that's how you reply with a video to a comment on TikTok. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.